I won't warn you. If you never reach 18 years, you no fit listen to this podcast.
If you think say na only book then go dey read for Abako community school, na im be say you join for the problem wey dey Abako. Na 2 sessions na in dey Abako community school. Morning session na for the pikin wey come read book. Evening session na for wetin oyinbo dey call extracurricular activities. This kind activity no resemble wetin we think say e be o. Who belle worry na community school be public toilet. In fact, Abako community school na stress relief center. You hear am like that? Gamblers of all kind dey show there for evening when they do their own game. Then the pikin wey be say they stay for the area, na there sef too, they no dey slack for the matter, they'll come dey play ball. If you dey find 1 or 2 things to just, of course, na community school be the best place. So the place cool like this, if you get luck myself, you'll see one class wey be say go dey open, you just sit down, relax, dey blaze. With all these things wey dey happen for Abako community school, e can't dey normal say all the people wey their head no correct, na there they go dey stay for evening. Any normal person for Abako know say e dey very dangerous to enter that compound for evening time. Yes, normal person. But Shaba no normal na. Luck no get leg for Abako. We for talk say e dey run against Shaba that day. Shaba be no dey enter community school compound before. Na new habit wey she can't start with that. She can't dey go there pass her normal place for that uncompleted building where she been dey stay. Nobody really notice so. After all, nothing concern anybody with mad woman waka. During those times where Shaba dey enter community school, the things where they come dey see am with come dey surprise many people. E go dey wear new clothes. E dey carry provision, milk, sugar, chocolate. Hey! Some people come talk say na good Samaritan na im dey dash her all those things. Shaba sef come dey happy well. Mama Tasty side no come to dey even dey her mind again. They no dey stay one place, they look masquerade. That na Timo favorite talk. That word they always dey come up for him mouth. Na hustler for Abako and nothing wey Timo never do to put bread for table. He don mix with all kinds of people. He don do many runs. I sure say he don't forget some things when he don't do. Now, as election don dey near so, Timo don enter him own season for him hustle. All those politicians wey dey always dey get dirty job for am and him crew, they don show. I know say that they do job without fear because person wey papa send thief, na here they go take break down na. Their oga dey always dey there to obey them from any wahala. You no get the kind of trouble where they go enter. This particular waka is supposed easy. After all, you no reach the one where they don't run before now. But my sister, my brother, na small shit, na in the scatter yash. If they expect this wahala, maybe they for no do the work. They say make they gather youth for the area, go do rally. Timo know the kind youth where they mean. After all, not be today in start work. He can quickly arrange some strong men for the area. Those ones can carry squad on the rally. Everything soft for the rally that day. Boys make things happen now. If opposition dey there that day, then go believe. The oga happy well and he drop well for the boys. Now him be the rumor wey go round though. Timo and his friend, now him oga give the money, make them share give boys. After all, now where man dey work, now him go shop now. That one na common knowledge. So every man gas she wait for the bread. Timo know how this kind matter dey be, so he try avoid him own head. My guys share the money for the bosses among them, make dem go share and give their own boys. That na the perfect way to avoid the wahala for these cult boys wey dey Abako. As dem comot, Timo happy wella. He even plan to enter Mama Tasty place for evening with him guys. For evening time, before news reach Timo, Koti don surround Timo place o. Kasala burst that evening. About 2 dead body dey wahala junction. Money wey dem share come cause better fight for the area. The way things cast, e come be like say na Anini dem wan come boss o. Dem no even let am carry him phone comot. Na for back of police van na him Timo see wetin pass am o. The thing even make am laugh upon say murder case don dey him head. Na only him see wetin he see. Timo see Shaba dey comot from community school. He no wear cloth, na only pants wey don tear. Her big belle come dey show wella. Wetin come even surprise Timo the more na say one jeep just comot for the school too, and e be like say dem use window take drop rubber bag wey things full inside. But Timo too dey far to see the car, talk less of say the plate number.
Thank you well say you dey listen to Abako. We hope say you dey enjoy the story. You fit listen to Abako for Spotify, Apple Podcast and YouTube. Na 808 Xtra na him produce am. Na Chuki One Pillar write am. Ona Kuale na him voice am. The soundtrack na Onyebeat and FayFay na him do am. The sound design, mixing and mastering na 808 Xtra do am. If you want write for us or you want work together, you fit contact us for 808extrang@gmail.com. Support for this channel dey come from the osusu wey you dey pay us. You fit send your own if na naira to paystack.com/pay/808extraN, or if na dollars you want send am to paystack.com/808extrad. All these details dey for the show notes.